For all you keyboard shortcut nuts who like to save every little millisecond of time, this video is for you. Hey guys, I'm John from Incomesh.com, and in today's video you're going to learn about the new update in Brizy, which has introduced some really awesome keyboard shortcuts that I haven't seen done in other page builders. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through one of these landing pages and go through kind of shortcut by shortcut to show you all the different efficiency tips that have just been introduced. If you want to go ahead and try out Brizy while they still have a lifetime deal, go ahead and click on my link in the description below. It's incomesh.com/Brizy. Okay, let's go ahead and waste no more time and go ahead and get into the keyboard shortcuts. So first, I'm going to pull up a little overlay of some of the things they have brought for you. And I am a PC guy, so I'm going to pull up the PC version. And so here you can see they do have a blog post on their website, but I want to show you how these all work together. And essentially, you've got some copy, some paste, some style, some alignment issues, some responsive design things that are really, really cool. So let's go ahead and start here with the basics. So if I click on an element, this here is like a counter element. We can go ahead and show you how long it takes to get there and make it go to 70. So this is a counter element. If I want to, instead of have this center aligned, but right aligned, I'm just going to click on the element to make sure that it is focused on, and I'll do Control right, and it moves over to the right. Control center or Control left, it moves it back to the center, and left. So really easy to change your alignment. I can definitely see myself using this on a regular basis, but even cooler than that, I can also go up and down to center align within, or the vertical dimension there as well. So that's really awesome when you have padding in your different elements. Let's go ahead and add a lot more padding onto this guy here. And we'll just go to padding and let's add some good padding. And now up, down, left, right. Let's go ahead and put one over here as well. Let's add a new section. And let's put in, let's say, an icon box for now. So let's find our icon boxes and drag these in. I'm still waiting for them to be able to allow us to type and find the exact thing we're looking for. Let's do an icon over here and a button over here. So on this button, this makes total sense to be able to move up, down, and left, right. So that's a really awesome feature. And similar here, let's go ahead and right align, left align. I don't see as much with the icon box because it kind of fills up the entire content as it is. All right, so next on the list is one that I'm really excited for and really kind of sad about because Thrive Architect, I love it to death, but it has never brought this feature in and I really need it. It's the copy and paste styles. So here, let's go ahead and duplicate this guy a couple times. I'll do it once by right clicking. So right click is also another feature that is fantastic for user experience. But we can also, if we click on this guy, I'm going to now select Control and D. And it will also duplicate. So that's another one of the keyboard shortcuts is Control D to duplicate the element. And from there, you can move it all around as much as you want to. What you can also do is select the element and Control C to copy like anywhere else you would. And if I click on another element here, so I'm selecting the button and I click Control V, it will bring the element back underneath exactly where I was pasting. So you can either copy and paste the entire element, or you can copy and paste styles, which I'll show you right now. So let's go ahead and change some of the styles of this icon box. I'll change the button color. The background instead is going to be this black color. And when I hover on it, the background is going to turn into a white one and the text is going to turn black. So kind of an inverted view. Very nice. Now I'm also going to, let's just say, I'll make the text here center, or let's right align, just make it totally crazy. And I'm going to show you without the keyboard. I'm going to copy this. And I'll come here, right click and paste styles. And now you can see most of the styles have changed. It looks like the alignment did not transfer with it. So that might be something they're still working on. I'll submit that as an issue. But I can also now, in a similar way, do Control C to copy and go to this one and Control Shift V, and it will do the same copy and paste styles. So being able to change your styles and not everything about the element is huge. I really wish that was brought into every page builder. That's like, in 2019 people, this is fantastic. Thank you so much. Now here's a feature that I really think is interesting and thoughtful of them. So if you do Control plus or Control minus, you're used to like zooming in on your browser, right? Well, now you can zoom into different modes. So here I'm in phone mode and you can see, you can quickly switch to your responsive views and see how that would look. Hit it again. I'm in tablet mode and hit it again and I'm in desktop mode. So that's a very smart way of implementing zoom in and zoom out features. If I click Control Shift and A, it's going to go into my adder, so I can find all the blocks I can add into, including full page layouts here, which they're really, I think they're developing more and more page layouts, as you can see here. There are some on these, like I have never seen this guy before. So they're really working at putting out some content here as well. So I'll import this real quick. And now you have a full page brought in as well. Although this one isn't exactly needed, because this is built on React and it kind of saves everything you do. If you want to confirm that you're saving things and updating it and everything properly, Control S will launch the save function, which is great. If you're writing a very long sales page, you might find yourself saving after every block or even every module, which is definitely a good idea, right? And finally, if you ever lose your way, you don't need to go to a blog post to figure it out. Just click Control and the question mark, and it'll bring up this overlay, which I might have skipped over one or two, but that gives you the idea. This is a pretty cool feature. It's not a new feature. It's more so user experience and user interface. Amazing update. You just kind of feel clean. You feel modern when you're working with Brizy. It doesn't have all the features. The theme builder is still in progress, but that is on their promised list to provide to everybody. But what it does, it's doing very beautifully and very well. It has a lifetime deal right now. If you have clients and you want to build beautiful websites for clients quickly, I'm going to say that Brizy is going to really give Elementor a run for its money, and it has a lifetime deal right now, which is about the price of 1 year of Elementor. So if you are interested in trying it out, they have a warranty period, a 30-day from the moment they launch Pro. So let me explain that real quick. Right now, they're in pre-launch. So they're kind of using the investments we're making to continue to fuel the product. Once they launch and they say, hey, we are stable, we've got everything working out perfectly, that's when the timer begins for your 30-day money-back guarantee. So I've made the purchase. I'm 99% sure I'm going to keep it because I do like doing some client work. It's fun for me. But if you're just on the fence, I'd recommend go ahead and pick it up now, and you'll have a lot of time to kick the tires and decide if it's for you. You can always request a refund later on if it doesn't work out for you. Additionally, a little bonus I'm throwing in if you sign up using incomesh.com/Brizy in the description below is I am in the process of creating Brizy Hero, and it's going to be a premium course that is specifically showing how to use this for clients, even including how to attract clients using the Brizy's features. The course is going to be a premium course, but if you sign up through my affiliate link, I'll give it to you 100% for free. So go ahead and click the link below to give Brizy a shot. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.